Minecraft data packs can take hundreds of lines to function, but today I will be limited to only a few. Can I make anything good? Watch till the end to find out. So let's spin the wheel to see how many lines we get. Please anything but 10 or 20. Okay, think we can work with 30. Okay, so here's my plan. I'm going to create a block which when you stand on it will basically make your inventory, all the items in it, fly out around you. So you stand on it and then, you know, like all of your items get like spread out around you like that. Okay, so I'm only allowed 30 lines, so far I have 2. It's just the sum of all of the different lines I have in the different functions. So far I have used 2 of my lines. So because we have the limited number of lines, we're not going to be able to have nice spacing between our code, and we just have to make it as compact as possible. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so now if we run the function place, and then yeah, we stand on top of this, it says spread. As soon as we get off, it stops. As soon as we get on, it starts again. Okay, so that's working fine. So basically we need to store the items onto data storage from the player's inventory. Then we're going to run a loop, and then we can summon item with tag new. Then we just modify the item. And we're going to set the item.id, and we're going to set it from the storage inventory current.id, and then we just need to repeat that for tag and count. Okay, so let's just check that that works for the first one. Okay, something doesn't work. Oh, okay, I think we need to summon it with the item data, and then of course, after we do that, we need to clear the player. We probably don't want it to be picked up instantly. This isn't working because, also why are they not letting me pick them up? Oh, okay, it was letting me pick them up, it's just really slow. Let's change the, sorry, I didn't mean 600s, I meant 60s. And let's see how that compares to having it thrown on the ground. Okay, maybe just a little bit less, maybe 40s. Now we also need to kill all entities that are type of item and have the MBT of exactly this, because that means that if we don't have any items in our inventory, then it won't summon these extra structure voids. There we go. Okay, so now what we need to do is execute if data storage items 0, then we can run this same function. Okay, and now if we get some stone bricks, maybe an iron block. Why is this not? Okay, that's not working. Okay, something's definitely not working. Also, let's do a quick line count. Okay, so we've used up half of our lines so far. I reckon we can get this done without having to use up all of them. I think I know why it might be duplicating. I think it's because when I go in there, it basically says, okay, I've got items in my inventory, and then it runs it multiple times because it still thinks I'm starting to stand on it. Something is really not working here. Let me just have a look through the code and see if I can fix this. Okay, so it's not duplicating now, but whenever I go off of it, it does that. So let me see if I can fix that. Okay, perfect. So now it does that. Now the last thing we need to do is just make the items all spread around instead of summoning in this little corner. Okay, so now if I just get like, yeah, like that, and then there's a bit of a delay for some reason. Why is that? Yeah, I don't know why there's the delay. There's no reason for there to be a delay. But yeah, okay, so that is our inventory spreader. Now just do one more line count just to make sure that I didn't go above the number of lines. Yeah, I mean, there's only 21 lines in the whole thing, so that's pretty good, I reckon. Managed to make this in 21 lines. And if you want to see me make every ore renewable in Minecraft, check out this video here.